So over here you can see that I have some charts right here, and if you want to change out the look and style of a particular chart, then you can easily do that as well. So for that you need to click on the chart that you want to change the style of, and then you need to go around over here and click on chart styles. So once you do that, you can see that there's various chart styles that you can choose from. You can go around and choose the style you like, and you can make it dark or bright, add in gradients in the background, and so forth according to how you like right there. What you can also do is you can go around into color and choose the color scheme for this particular chart as you like right here, as you can see just like this. So you can go around, choose up the color scheme that you like right here, and the color scheme is applied onto the chart that you selected right here. You can go around onto style and then apply another chart style according to how you like right here, just like this. So that is what you can do right here. So besides that, if you want to change out the chart look, then you can go around over here onto the chart design as well, and on the top you get the same option. So you can go around, choose the chart style that you like, and then you can go around and choose out the colorfulness of the chart as well. Besides that, you can go around onto quick layouts and change out the style of the chart over here as well, just like this. You can entirely change out the details that you see in the chart. You can also go around and add in different elements to the chart, like let's say for example, you can add in primary horizontal chart right here. You can go around and add in, let's say for example, grid lines, enable and disable the grid lines right here, just like this, and so forth, and get the chart looking the way you like. What you can also do is you can go around and enable and disable the chart data that is on the side, and change up the chart type entirely according to how you like right here, just like this, and the chart data just go around and changes out, as you can see right here. Besides that, you can go around onto format and change out, let's say, text in the chart right here by clicking on the text style, as you can see right here. You can go around and change out the text fill color as you like, just like this as well, and so forth. So if I were to go around and select this and choose, let's say for example, a blue color, you can see that that is applied. You can work around with the text effects as well, and everything is applied on the selected chart, as you can see right there. You can go around and change out the height, the width right here, and even change around the overall style, as you can see right here, by choosing the color right here, just like this. So that is what you have, as you can see right here. You can go around, reset out to match the style of the overall report as well by clicking on this, as you can see right here. And you can go around and format out the selection, which opens up the chart area, as you can see, and you can go around and change out the different options, as you can see, just like this over here. You can go around and change out the border right here as well. You can go around and change out the size and so forth, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go around and change out the chart look and style inside of Microsoft Project. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.